Want to study at India's top law school? Then here's how to get into the 3-year LLB program at NLSIU Bangalore. First, eligibility. So you need to have a bachelor degree in any stream from any recognized national or international university. बस इसमें ensure करना that if you belong to general category, you must have secured minimum 45% mark, and if you belong to SC, ST, OBC, non-creamy layer, PWD category, you must have secured minimum 40% marks. Second, admission process. Admission will be through NLSAT LLB. Third, paper pattern. It will have a single question paper consisting of 2 parts. Part A जिसमें multiple choice questions रहेंगे and Part B जिसमें आपको subjective answers लिखने हैं. कैंडिडेट को दोनों ही पार्ट अटेम्प्ट करने होते हैं एंड टोटल ड्यूरेशन 150 मिनट्स मिलता है इसके लिए. पार्ट ए फर्स्ट स्टेज ऑफ एडमिशन प्रोसेस रहता है. दिस विल हैव मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस. इट विल बी ऑफ 75 मार्क्स. Each question carries 1 mark and there is also a negative marking for every incorrect answer and unanswered questions of -0.25. It will have questions related to comprehension, current affairs and critical reasoning. Now part B will consist of subjective questions. Again it will be of 75 marks and students will be tested on legal aptitude and reasoning, where you'll have a problem-based questions which you need to answer in 200 to 250 words, and on analytical ability, where you will be tested on your knowledge of the issue, ability to make arguments and write a well-structured essay. Then a final rank list will be prepared based on the cumulative performance in part A and part B of the exam, subject to 2 conditions. First is that the candidate must have secured more than 0 marks in both the parts of the paper. Second, candidates seeking admission in general and EWS category must have secured above 75th percentile of the eligible candidates, and from SC, ST, OBC, non-creamy layer and PWD category, they must have secured a score above 40th percentile of the eligible candidates in the aggregate score of Part A and Part B. So this was all about the admission process of NLSIU 3-year LLB program. If you want more such information, don't forget to follow our channel.